Yo, what up, Joshers? It's your boy, Josh Middleton here to unbox and review the new Aroma electric kettle. Now this thing is lit AF. It has a new crazy 3 functions. You could boil safer, that's amazing. Boil faster, that saves a lot of time. And you can boil every day. You can make tea every day.
Okay, what's going on here?
Oh, yo, what up? This is my sweet girlfriend, Sarah.
I'm not your girlfriend, I'm your ex-girlfriend. Anyway, if you could just wrap this up and maybe find your own place, because I'm getting sick and tired of you sleeping on my couch.
Okay.
Anyway, Carl's coming over, so just don't get weird, okay?
Hey babe, I just parked the car.
Hey. This is Carl, this is Josh.
Hey John, good to see you again. Let's go.
Anyway,
Hey,
just don't make too much noise.
Don't worry about that, guys. Just a little bit of a lover's quarrel. Everything's gonna be tight. Let's get back to unboxing this. I'm pretty excited. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna use my trusty unboxing knife. Just gonna sharpen. Y'all seen that before. It's actually one of the sharpest I've ever had. And a lot of people say that a sharp knife is actually more dangerous. But it's not more dangerous. It's actually way safer to have a sharp knife. So here we go.